In this video, we'll walk through the basic fill and startup process for your Chilly GOAT Alpine. If you have an Alpine Pro with the HANA system, the mechanical startup is exactly the same. If you have an Alpine Pro with the HANA system, install the HANA system before filling your Alpine. Start by placing the tub in its final position. Make sure that you have enough room for the power cord, ventilation, and service. We recommend at least 3 feet of open space on all 4 sides. Now we'll install the filter. In your luggage kit, you'll find the filter and the clear filter lid tool. Remove the filter cover, then unscrew the filter lid. If it's too tight to turn by hand, use the clear tool to help break it loose. Now drop the filter down into the housing and then tighten the lid back down with the provided tool and ensure a proper seal. If your filter lid is not tightened and sealed properly, it can cause what appears to be a leak. It is not, and this lid just needs to be a little bit more snug. However, do not over-tighten. With the filter in place, you can begin filling the tub. Use a garden hose with a pre-filter on the end and fill until the water reaches the minimum level label. Do not exceed the maximum fill mark on that label. Now you're ready to connect your Alpine to power. Once the tub is full and circulating, you're ready to move on to balancing your water.